The notion of drifting off into the vastness of space is a frightening concept. This is a scenario often portrayed on the silver screen in films such as Gravity. However, what would actually occur if one were to genuinely float away into space while on a spacewalk? Space agencies like NASA implement safety protocols to prevent scenarios where astronauts might drift away. For instance, when an astronaut exits the International Space Station, ISS, they are constantly tethered to the spacecraft with a robust 26-meter braided steel tether boasting a tensile strength of 1,100 pounds. In the event of a tether failure, astronauts can resort to the safer, simplified Aid for EVA rescue system, a compact emergency jetpack, to maneuver back to the space station. If, by any chance, the safer system fails or the astronaut wearing it is unable to operate the jetpack, the only recourse would be for other members of the space station to initiate a rescue mission. However, orchestrating a rescue under such circumstances presents a considerable challenge, given the absence of a spacecraft capable of retrieving astronauts adrift in space. In the unfortunate event of a tether failure, a malfunctioning jetpack, and unsuccessful rescue attempts by fellow astronauts, you would find yourself drifting in a direction dictated by the forces acting upon you when you became untethered. In this weightless state, any attempts to kick or paddle would prove futile. The relentless pull of Earth's gravity would ensnare you in an orbit around the planet. If your spacesuit remained sealed, you'd endure this unnerving fate for up to 8 hours while awaiting the depletion of your oxygen supplies. However, if your suit sustained damage during the initial incident, your journey into space would be dramatically curtailed. Exposure to outer space would induce unconsciousness within 15 seconds. Boiling fluids, resulting from the lack of air pressure, would cause your blood and other bodily fluids to boil, leading to a swelling of your body, perhaps reaching twice its normal size, and all transpiring within a few minutes. Another scenario to consider is that, if you were to drift away from your station at the correct angle and velocity, you might find yourself on a collision course with Earth. However, any attempt to reach the surface would be futile, as the Earth's atmosphere would cause you to burn up upon entry, akin to a falling meteor. Fortunately, the harrowing fate of becoming an astronaut adrift in space has yet to be experienced by anyone. Despite some close calls in the past, the safety equipment of astronauts has effectively averted such situations. Space agencies, such as NASA, express confidence that the occurrence of a float-away astronaut is highly unlikely, and I sincerely hope they are correct. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fascinating facts about the universe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.